Are you looking for best drone for hill walking? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best drone for hill walking on the market today. We have considered their product quality, features, and values when narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. 1. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 2 is a mini, light, and sweet drone. It also has DJI state-of-the-art drone technology and can capture stunning 4K film and 12MP photos. It can reach a top speed of 58 mph and fly for up to 30 minutes. Because it is a tiny and portable robot, the DJI Mini 2 is the best drone for hill walking. It also includes a Follow Me feature that lets you relax and enjoy the surroundings while the drone handles the work. The DJI Mini 2 is the best drone for beginners because it has everything you need to get started. It has a powerful flight control system and a simple flight app. A 3-axis gimbal is also included. Features: the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo has the following advantages. Easy to fly and ideal for both novice and experienced pilots. It is extremely light and portable, making it an excellent travel companion. High-definition image and video. Outstanding value for money. 2. DJI Mavic Mini Fly More Combo. The DJI Mavic Mini is also one of the best drones for mountaineering, like the DJI Mini 2, but with a smaller and more compact design. Its camera is a high-resolution 3-axis gimbal camera, making it simple to create breathtaking photographs and videos while on the go. Its minimum flight time is an impressive 28 minutes, and it has a good range of up to 4 km. The DJI Mavic Mini is a drone created specifically for consumers who want a high-quality drone without spending a lot of money on it. DJI Mavic Mini is fun and provides a fantastic flying experience. Features: very easy to use, very good flight time, very good range. 3. Holystone H110G Drone. The Holystone H110G is on our list. This is a fantastic drone, especially for the price. It has a smooth physical form and is lightweight, making it easy to transport. It's also incredibly easy to fly and provides a fantastic flying experience. It takes around 25 minutes to fly, which isn't bad at all. This drone is equipped with a 1080p HD camera capable of taking high-quality photos and videos. It has a respectable range of roughly 100 meters, which is exceptional for the price. Overall, this is a fantastic drone that we highly suggest. Features: GPS is SIS-10 Flight GPS Auto Return / GPS Follow Me / Custom Flight Path. Carrying back 1080p HD camera, record voice, 26 mins of flight time, control range 984 ft, altitude control system. 4. Potensic Atom SE Foldable Drone. This drone comes in an aluminum carry case, making it effortless to carry around. It can also be readily foldable even with no scenario, making it ideal for hiking or travel drone. The high-quality camera on this particular drone takes 2K, which may be considered low compared to the 4K camera in most drones. Nevertheless, it is adequate and shoots excellent quality aerial pictures and movie footage, and is well worth considering the price point. A few other features include the follow-up manner, making it possible for the drone to keep track of your movement. If you would like to record yourself carrying a very long walk or riding a bicycle, a return to residence feature is triggered on the remote controller, and the drone can return home. 5. Contixo F24 Pro 4K Drone. The Contixo F24 is a drone that's among the most incredible things about a drone that you will need for hiking. This makes it effortless to carry around, and although it is bigger than the customary body, it's still convenient and works nicely for traveling. Among the most outstanding features of this drone is that the effective brushless motors help it fly smoothly and is quieter than brush motors. Brushless motors are more efficient and last longer than brush motors, making them a little more costly. The battery lifetime is 26 minutes. That's impressive. Along with the camera shoots 4K pictures and 2.7K movie footage. That's relatively decent. The camera drone can reach live video and image transmission distance up to 1,700 feet. With stronger GPS positioning, can hover stably to catch clear images and return to home precisely. Comes with equipped brushless motors to ensure a smooth and powerful flight. Easy folding capabilities allow for compact storage without uninstalling propellers after use. Smart and powerful performance Follow Me, Orbit Mode, and Gesture Control free your hands to take ideal selfies. Point of interest or tap to fly, you can fly it in a directed and custom path using up to 16 waypoints. Equipped with upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery provides up to 30 minutes flight time. The package comes with one battery. Extend your flight time to 60. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe us to get more information and update product review videos.